So the Stages power meter, if it has stopped working for you completely, not if it's dropping out, I don't know what to do if it's dropping out, but if it's stopped working completely, here is my recommendation. So you just have to get behind the crank here, and I don't know if you can see that, you just need to pop the little tab counterclockwise, and then pull it off, and that's going to release the battery. I think what's happening with this is that the battery's getting knocked around and losing contact. So if you take it out and try and put the battery back in, oh, I see. So there's a little thing there to hold the battery in. So if you put the battery and the little thing back in, put it up the top, and then turn it clockwise again. Did you hear that? The gum just detected the power meter as soon as the battery made contact. So you just turn that clockwise again, and then, oh, it's gone now. But see how power says 0 now instead of the lines. So if I, how am I going to do this? Let's see. If I turn the crank here, we might see a power reading. No, we don't, because I wasn't going hard enough or turning it long enough. But you can see it's connected there. If we go into bike settings here, we'll be able to see that connected. So that's just fixed it.